So Mr. Quantum Kitty and I recently went to Tokyo and we bought a bunch of plushies which we're going to share with you today. So the first one that I'm going to show you are the Queen of Hearts series. So this one we got at Mitsukoshi store in Ginza. They had a special pop-up store. Isn't it so cute? Let me show you Kuromi first. You can see she has this heart wand. This is the front. Here's the back. And she's got this kind of Joker outfit. Here's the tag. As you can see, it's got the Kuromi My Melody tag. So you can see here it is the 50th anniversary for My Melody and the 20th anniversary for Kuromi. So this is a special limited edition set. And here's her friend Melody. And also she is carrying the heart wand in this cute little dress with a crown at the top. And here is the back. And she also has this special tag showing the 50th anniversary of Melody and the 20th anniversary of Kuromi. And here they are together. Aren't they adorable? At the same exhibition, we also picked up this really pretty My Melody. So you can see she has a really pretty floral headband and a yellow ribbon with a cute yellow dress. And if you look at her feet, you can see her little paws, and she's wearing pink underneath. And here's the back. And again, here is her label, the iconic My Melody label. And again, it has the 50th anniversary tag on this one. And this one was just really funny. We particularly picked up this one just because I thought her expression was really hilarious. What do you think she's saying? We also picked up the Hello Kitty twins from Big Camera. Mr. Quantum Kitty found these, and the unique thing about this one is that it has a magnet in between their faces. So if you pull them apart, they will come together like this. Isn't that adorable? So they're wearing kimonos. Here's the front. And here is the back with a cute bow at the back. And here is the tag on the top. And last but not least, we picked up Pochacco at Sanrio Character Street at Tokyo Station. This is an area where they sell a whole bunch of different characters. And we like this one because he looks like an explorer. And here's the tag. So that's our Hello Kitty Sanrio haul from our latest Tokyo Ginza trip. Which one is your favorite?